Welcome sa aking channel. Today, itutuloy ko po yung aking lesson last time about subject-verb agreement, lessons number 1 to 4. But before that, syempre, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell in order to be updated with my next video, and syempre, share na rin para mas marami pang matuto. Now, by the way, before that again, shout out nga pala sa aking editor, ang creator ng The Green Thumb, and also sa aking videographer, ang creator ng Feed the Mind TV. Okay. Now, rule number 5. Subject don't always come before verbs and questions. Sabi nito, yung subject daw ay hindi palaging sumusunod o hindi palaging nauna sa verb. Pag question na, nauna ang verb bago ang subject. Now, this is somewhat confusing, like this sentence. Does Ben usually come late? In order to find the correct answer, kailangan mas-simplify natin siya. So, ang gagawin natin, i-rewrite natin siya in normal order, like this one. Ben does come late. Now, our subject is Ben. And Ben is singular. Iisang tao lang ito, so ito ay singular. Now, dito, siyempre pag singular, ang verb natin dapat ay may S. So, ito ang ating verb. Does. Ang do ay ginagamit kapag ang subject ay I, we, you, at they. Okay. Pero ang does ay ginagamit sa third person singular. Doon lang ito ginagamit. Kapag ang subject mo ay third person. Pag sinabing third person, siya ang pinag-uusapan. Like this one. Ben. Siya. Sa Tagalog, siya, si Ben. Alright. Now, kapag may S na dito, ang verb, ang main verb ay dapat walang S. Okay, dapat walang S. Katulad nito. But, kapag tinanggal natin ito, tinanggal natin yan, wala na ito. Dito, sa verb, dahil ito ay singular, ito ay makakaroon ng S. Yan na. Ben comes late. Pero pag gumamit ka ng helping verb na does, yan, may S na rito, dito, mawawala dapat ang S. Ganyan. Wala na siyang S. Ben does come late. So, ang answer natin dito ay does. Okay, next example. Where are the pieces of this puzzle? Alright. Now, para makuha natin ang tamang sagot, kailangan i-simplify natin siya. Isusulat natin siya sa normal order. Gagawin natin siyang declarative. Normal order. The pieces of this puzzle are where? Now, ang subject natin dito ay itong pieces. May is siya. So, siya ay plural. But it is followed with a prepositional phrase. Ito, prepositional phrase of this puzzle. Ang tawag dito ay prepositional phrase kasi meron siyang of. Ito, preposition ito. And then followed by the object, puzzle. So, this is called prepositional phrase. Now, according to the rule, prepositional phrase does not affect the number of the subject. Hindi daw siya nakaka-apekto dito sa number ng subject. Pag plural ito, plural talaga siya. Hindi siya maapektuhan nitong prepositional phrase na singular, walang S. So, ibig sabihin, para ma-simplify natin ito, tatanggalin natin ito. Kasi hindi raw siya nakaka-apekto eh. Okay. So, the pieces are where? Ang subject natin ay plural, may S. So, dito, ang answer natin ay are. Alright, and now next example, rule number 6. If two subjects are joined by and, they require a plural verb. This is very elementary. Kapag ang dalawang subject daw ay pinagdugtong ng and, ang verb ay palaging plural. Like this example. The horse and the cow jumps over the fence. Now, we have two subjects, horse and cow. Ang tawag dito ay compound subject. Pag ganito na subject, dalawa, of course, ang verb ay dapat palaging plural. So, here, dalawa ito, ang verb natin dapat ay plural, so dapat ito, wala siyang S. Okay. Next, the monkey and the dog are playing in the zoo. Now, again, we have two subjects, monkey and dog. Ang tawag dito ay compound subjects. Pag ganito na ang subjects, dapat ang verb ay plural. So, the correct answer here is R. Now, in this next rule number 7, the verb is singular if the two subjects joined by and refer to the same person or thing. Ibig sabihin, ang verb daw ay singular kapag ang dalawang subject na pinagdugtong ng and ay tumutukoy sa parehong tao or bagay. Like this example. Red beans and rice are my friend's favorite dish. Now, itong subject natin, red beans and rice. Parang dalawang subject siya kasi dinugtong siya ng and. But, take note, itong dalawang subject na ito ay tumutukoy sa isang bagay lamang. This subject refers to only one object. So, kapag ganito, kahit na parang dalawang subject siya na pinagdugtong na dahil tumutukoy siya sa iisang bagay lang, then this is considered as singular. This is considered as singular. So, ang answer natin dito ay S. Kasi ito ay tumutukoy sa isang object. So, this is considered as singular. Kaya ang verb natin dito dapat ay singular din. So, S is the correct answer. Now here, bread and butter are my breakfast. Now, another confusing subject. Kasi, bread, we have bread and we have butter. Parang dalawa. But, ito ay tumutukoy lang sa iisang bagay. Kasi pag yung butter, nilagay mo sa bread, ginawa mong palaman, iisa lang yon. So, it is singular. The whole phrase, this subject is singular. Because it refers to only one object. So, ang answer natin dapat dito ay singular din. So, is the correct answer. Alright. In rule number 8, if the word each, every, or no come before the subject, the verb is singular. Sabi rito, kapag yung word raw na each, every, or no ay sumusunod sa subject, ang verb daw ay palaging singular. Like this example. No smoking and drinking are allowed inside this room. Now, if you are going to analyze the subject, parang dalawang subject. Smoking and drinking. But it is preceded by the word no. According to the rule, kapag ang subject daw ay pinapangunahan ng word na no, ito ay palaging singular at ang verb ay palaging singular. So, in this case, although it looks like plural, kasi we have two subjects joined by and, yet, according to the rule, ito pa rin ay kinoconsider na singular. So, in this case, our verb should be is. Ito dapat ang answer. Kasi ito ay kinoconsider na singular. Although, the way we look at it, para siyang plural. Kasi di pinagdugtong siya ng conjunction na and. But, according to the rule, ito ay palaging singular. Okay, next. Every man and woman are requested to stand. So, dito, if we are going to analyze it carefully, parang dalawang subject, man and woman. Dinugtong pa siya ng and. So, para siyang compound subject. But, nauna ang indefinite pronoun na every. Pag nauna ang indefinite pronoun na every, kahit na ilan pa yan, kasunod na yan, kahit na million pa yan, singular pa rin siya. So, ito ang ating answer dapat ay S. Remember, English is unlike math, wherein there is only one exact answer sa math. Pero sa English, hindi pwede. Paiba-iba siya. It is always, it depends on the use of a word in a sentence like this. Para siyang plural, pero dahil nauna yung every, according to the rule, ito ay palaging singular. So, ang ating tamang sagot ay S. Well, if you have learned something in our lesson today, please don't forget, again, to subscribe, like, click the notification bell in order to be updated with my next video, at syempre, share na rin. But again, I'd like to mention again my editor, the owner, the creator of the Green Thumb. Kasi siya ang naghihirap dito sa pag-edit ng aking video. And also sa aking videographer, the creator of Feed the Mind TV. Thank you very much for watching. See you in my next video.